Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jack from Jack Makes Money on YouTube. So, isang panibagong video na naman po. Ang ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ka nga ba pwedeng kumita online gamit lamang inyong mga outfit of the days. That's right. So, if you are interested, make sure to keep watching, stay tuned, because pag-uusapan natin sa video ito yung buong process kung paano ka nga ba pwedeng kumita sa pagsuot lamang ng magagandang damit. Let's go! Welcome back! So, by the way, before anything else, if you are new to my channel, my name is Jack and I'm from Jack Makes Money on YouTube. Gumagawa po ako ng mga videos about review and application process of some websites na pwede nyo pag-applyan for home-based jobs. So if you are new and you're interested in those kind of videos, please consider subscribing. And bago tayo magsimula sa main topic natin, I just want to do a quick shout out for these people who actually left a comment from last week's video and sa mga previous videos din natin. And of course, I made a promise na there will be a one lucky winner for 70 pesos load, and here it is. Congratulations po! And just look at the description, a box down below kung paano mo po maki-claim yung 70 pesos load mo. And without further ado, let's head straight to my screen so I can show you how. Alright? So hi guys, welcome to my screen. On my previous video, I was able to mention this particular website called Fiverr.com, and ito rin po yung gagamitin natin sa pag-sell or sa pagbenta ng mga services nyo while wearing your favorite outfit of the days or by actually doing freelance model. So yun po yung actual job na gagawin nyo kay Fiverr. Okay? So by the way guys, just a quick information about Fiverr. It's a digital web-based platform in where people can actually buy and sell digital marketing services. They have graphic designs, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation. So under video and animation, we have here like video editing, creating YouTube intros and all that, music and audio, programming and tech, business, lifestyle and industries, and a lot more. Almost everything. But hindi ko na siya i-go through lahat just so we can get through this video as fast as we can. Okay, so basically guys, yung sinabi ko sa inyo is about freelance modeling. So if you go through Fiverr.com, which is spelled as FIVERR.com, you will have to create your own account. And napakadali lang guys kasi it will just take 5 to 10 minutes and para ka lang gumawa ng sarili mong resume with Fiverr. Okay? So after you create your own account, what you want to do is to search here up top, female model. So this is the kind of service that I want you to focus on, okay? And not just like female model, you can also search here male model. And I just chose female model specifically kasi alam ko most of the girls are a huge fan of bringing their OOTDs and posting it on their Instagram. And naisipan ko, ba't hindi nila i-take advantage, or you can actually find a way to make money out of it, right? And Fiverr is a great tool for making money out of it. And yun po ang ituturo ko sa inyo sa video ito. Just make sure na to stay tuned and keep watching. Okay? So basically guys, once you create your own Fiverr account, gagawa ka po ng sarili mong gig. So ang tawag po sa list na to, ito mga nakikita nyo is gig. Okay, so that's what you call, or that's what this service is called in Fiverr. Okay, just take note. And as you can see, they have different prices. So this model is offering her female modeling service for $5, may $20, may $35. So basically, depende po sa inyo kung magkano. But as a starter, I would strongly suggest that you start with the basic price, which is $5. Kasi your main goal as a beginner or a starter in Fiverr is to attract clients. Okay? You will want to get a lot of good reviews first. Okay? Because by then, pag madami na yung reviews mo, marami ka ng clients na nag-cater, that's when you will attract more clients, and that's when you can increase your rate. By, let's say, you started with $5, then you can go up to 15, 20, depende sa demand ng mga clients mo sooner or later. Okay? So, I'll just give you like a hint or kung magkano nga ba yung pwede mong kitain dito by just doing it, by selling your service. So I was able to come across this particular female Fiverr user, and she is a level 2 seller. So by the way guys, as a starter, ikaw, you will start with level 1 of course, and as you get a lot of orders from your clients, tataas yung level mo by through the ratings na ibibigay nila. Okay, so let's go back. So this female model or this female Fiverr user is offering her service for $10 for a high quality pics and high definition video. Okay, so as you can see here, ito yung parang magiging front page ng isang gig, yung sample page ng isang gig. So here nakalagay yung price and also yung title ng gig mo. So for this particular user, nilagay niya is I will be your professional female model. And sa baba guys, this is what I want you to focus on, is the number of reviews that she got. Okay, as you can see, she has 114 reviews. So meaning, umabot na ng ganitong number yung mga nag-order sa kanya for $10. So how much is that if you multiply it? Okay, so let's say 114 times 50. So that's like $5,700. That's US dollars, guys, okay? So basically that's a lot of money for like doing it part-time and just by doing it out of your passion. Let's say you really love modeling, then this could be a great opportunity for you to actually showcase your talent. Okay? And the good thing is, mahal mo yung ginagawa mo. Okay, yun naman talaga yung importante, di ba? And ito as mentioned earlier, ito yung sample ng gig na gagawin mo. Okay? So as you can see, this particular female Fiverr user posted some sample jobs, kung ano yung mga posts na nagawa niya na. And of course, as you get a lot of reviews, lalabas din siya dito sa main page mo. So this particular client was very happy, and he said that she did an absolutely great job with the project, A+. Okay, so yun yung mga sample reviews na makukuha mo. Okay, so below here is the description of the gig. Okay, so once you created your account, guys, and I would suggest that don't go straight on creating a gig. Now I want you to browse people or users that has the same service that you are about to sell, and choose those that have good reviews. Like this one, she has 28 reviews. This one has 21 reviews. Madami pa guys. This one has 24 reviews. This one has 64 reviews. So I want you to go through their profile and study. Okay, not necessarily na you copy what they entered or put in their gigs information, but I want you to study on how they do it and how they did it. Okay, as you can see, this one she only has one photo actually, but she already has 64 orders in total. Okay, what more if you were able to put a good information on your gig, which is more catchy. Okay, and I would suggest you watch video tutorials on YouTube on how you can actually create a compelling gig. Okay, which means na you'll get more clients to attract and all that, kasi pagiging malaking tulong siya sa paghatak mo ng mga clients. Okay, so yun lang muna yung mga advice or mga tips na mabibigay ko. But as we go through on this channel, I'll make sure to create more videos on how you can actually properly promote and advertise your gig in the future. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope na makatulong to, especially dun sa mga aspiring freelance model. This could be a great opportunity for you. Welcome back, guys. So that's pretty much it, and I hope na sana makatulong to sa lahat, lalong-lalo na dun sa mga aspiring models and mga gustong maging freelance model online and would actually want to earn money online. Fiverr is a really strong suggestion that I have to start with, kasi napakadali lang gumawa ng account and gumawa ng gig. All you have to do is to study the platform. Pag-aralan mo lang lahat. There are a lot of video tutorials on YouTube on how you can actually make your Fiverr account as compelling as possible for clients to attract. And as you go along, marami ka ng clients na makikater and all that. And of course, it can actually help you make money online. And who knows, it could be like a good source of income and could make you a full-time living. Okay, before I end this video, if you want to be featured on my next video as a comment winner, just leave a comment down below if you have questions, and sa mga gusto magpa-shoutout or magpasali ng mga YouTube channel nila, because I'm a starter as well and I do that as well. So let's just help each other, and yun lang po, and salamat sa panonood. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video if you enjoyed it. If not, please consider clicking on the unlike button as well. Yun lang po, guys. This is Jack once again from Jack Makes Money on YouTube. Ciao.